guys, it's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys kung paano magtono ng ukulele. So about a year ago, gumawa na ako ng gantong tutorial pero gusto ko lang gumawa ng bagong video about this one because a lot of you guys have been asking for an updated tutorial. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys two ways on how to tune your ukulele. So the first thing is that gagamitan natin siya ng tuner, and then the second one is gagamitan lang natin siya ng app sa ating mga smartphones. So if you have your cell phones with you, ayan, pwede na yan. And then, ayan, wala natin patagalin yung video. Let's move on to the tutorial. So for the first step on how to tune your ukulele using a tuner, ayan, gagamitan lang natin siya ng 3-in-1 Metro Tuner from Hricane. Hindi ko alam kung napanood niyo yung unboxing video ko, pero isa to sa mga pinadala ng company sa akin. So, this one is a tuner, metronome, and tone generator all-in-one in this device. So, pupush lang natin tong power button. Tadang! O, diba? Medyo high-tech siya, guys, kasi may digital, siya dyan, digital monitor. And then, may mga lights dito. Malalaman nyo kung sharp ba, or flat, or insakto na ba. Malalaman nyo kung sakto na yung tono pag iilaw na tong green light na nasa gitna. And then, we also have the, yung sound na mode. Or after mong i-turn on yung device, pipindutin mo lang ulit yung power button, and then lalabas na yung third mode, which is the sound. Makikita nyo dito. And then, in the side, ayan, may volume adjustment siya dyan. Tadang! Ayan. So, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nakalocate yung speaker sa device na to, andito siya sa likod. And then, kailangan nyo din ng AA batteries. Pero, kung bibili ka na ng tuner, dito, ayan, may kasama na siyang battery, guys. So, ayun, that's the good thing about this one is may libreng battery siya. So, dalawang, AAA pala. Dalawang AAA na battery. Ayan. Teka. And then, you also have a stand in here. So, ayan, ilalagay nyo lang sa table and then you're good to go. Or also, you can put it here. Ayan. O, diba? Para di ka na mahirapan. So, the first thing that you have to do is you have to grab your ukulele kasi ano naman yung itotono natin, diba? Ayan. So, kunin nyo na yung ukulele nyo. Kung wala siya sa tono tulad ng ganito, kailangan nyo siyang i-tune kasi ano ba? So, ayan guys. As you can see, etong part na to, ayan o, gumagalaw siya. And then, nadedetect niya kung anong tono siya. Makikita niyo dito sa gitna. Ayan. Okay? So, dapat nasa G siya. Diba? Yung standard tuning ng soprano and concert ukulele is G4, C4, E4, A4, basically just G, C, E, A. So, ayan. Okay? So, kailangan nating, ang ingay na naman. So, kailangan nating ikutin to. Dapat nasa G siya. Okay? Ayan. Okay na. Ayan. Umilaw na yung green. Oh. Okay. So, tapos na yung first string natin. Fourth string pala. Ayan. So, let's move on to the second string. So, dapat C siya. Diba? G, C. Okay. So, at the moment, nasa B flat siya. So, kailangan natin ikutin para maging C. At iilaw yung green na light sa gitna. Ayan. Okay na. Konti. Ayan. So, as you can see, nasa C na siya. Ayan. Ayan. If you will pluck the string, nasa C na siya, and then yung ilaw niya is nasa green light na. Okay. So, let's move on to the, string beside it, which is the E4 or the E string. So, at the moment, nasa C sharp siya. So, kailangan natin siyang ikutin para maging E. Malapit na. Ay, nako. Konting ikot na lang. Ayan! So, nasa E na siya. So, for the last string, dapat nasa E. A siya. A. Ayan! So, testing natin. Ayan, diba? nasa tono na yung ukulele natin. So now we're done with the first way on how to tune your ukulele using a tuner. And then let's move on to the second way on how to tune your ukulele using your smartphones. So first thing that you have to do is you have to download the app named gStrings. So, ayan, andito siya guys. So, ayan. Ito yung gStrings and then available ito sa Play Store for free. So, wala ka talagang babayaran. So, ayan. So, at the moment, yung G-string ko, yung tunog niya is parang nasa bandang D sharp or E, ganun. So, iikutin lang natin ulit yung, tuning pegs. Dapat nasa G4 siya tumama. Tapos, malalaman nyo din kasi may, iiba yung kulay niya sa gitna, magiging green. Medyo silent na environment pag gagamit kayo ng ganito. Ayan. So, okay na. Nasa G4 na siya. Basta mga nasa ganyang, scale. Okay. So, we're done with the G string. So, let's move on to the C string. Same thing. Kailangan yung ikutin yung tuning pegs and then tignan nyo yung monitor or yung screen ng phone mo kung tumama na ba siya. So, first string is G4 and then the next string is C4. Okay? C. Hanapin natin yung C, G, C, E, A. Ayan, ingay ng motor. Ayan, malapit na tayo guys. Oops. Ayan, C4. So, the next string that we have is the E4. Ayan, at the moment, ano ba to? Nasa D4 siya. So, natin ikutin ulit yung tuning pegs at gawin natin siyang E4. Ayan. Konti-konti na lang. Tadang! E4. Then for the last string, yung A string natin, at the moment, nasa G sharp siya. So, kailangan natin ulitin ng konti para maging A4. Oops! Ayan. Okay! So just remember that each of the strings has a corresponding letter. So this one is the G string, this one is C, E, and then A. So tuning your instrument is one of the most important thing that you should do, especially when you're a musician. So always make sure that your instrument is in the right tuning, lalo na pag ukulele yung gamit mo. Always remember G, C, E, A, or G4, C4, E4, and A4. So, ayun lang. So if you want to purchase this Hricane tuner, so please let me know and contact me sa Facebook page ko. This tuner cost about 600 pesos. So, ayan, marami pa siyang features guys na hindi ko pa napapakita dito. Pero ayan, ito yung main purpose niya for tuning your ukulele.
Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here, and if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.